Yeah, Jan, yeah, this is very, very important for the inventory. And this is very toughest data load in the SAP BW. Okay, and these are all very simple. The sales order, delivery, billing, very simple. And this is little tricky. Okay, this is not very difficult, but this is little tricky. Okay, if you do any mistake while doing this data load, again we need to do it again, everything. Okay, so very important this one. Okay, here we having GL account, account payable. This meant account payable, account receivable, account receivable. Account receivable means what? Customer only, customer only. Whatever you are selling product to the customers in the sale. Sales means what? We are selling the one product to the customer. That information will store into account receivable. Okay, in the purchasing means what? Okay, we are taking the raw materials from the vendor. If you want to manufacture a product, we need to take some raw materials, right? That material will take from the purchasing, from vendor. Okay, this guy only vendor, account payable means. So, customer means we are receiving the amount from the customer. Vendor means we are paying the amount to the vendor. Whatever you bought, raw material amount, so you have to pay to the vendor. These two only. These two transactions will store into the FI. Whatever you selling product, that information should be available. Whatever you are buying from the vendor, that information should be available. Then you will get the profit and loss report here. Clear, huh? So these are the models very, very important in the while you are extracting the data from SDMMFI to BW. These data sources like in S4 HANA like FIGL AP underscore 4. This one 0 FI underscore AR underscore 4. This is old data sources. Okay. 0 FI underscore GL underscore 4. These are the data sources in the old level. In S4 HANA, all will replace with 0 FI underscore SCDOCA underscore 10. Instead of using all these data sources, I will use only this data source. Everything information available in this SCDOCA data source level. Vendor information, customer information, GL information, asset accounting information. Okay, material postings, everything it is available in the SCDOCA. Okay, controlling information. So everything it is available in the SCDOCA table in the S4 HANA. Okay, we'll see all this. So generally, most of the cases in the real time. So example, you think you treat me like I'm a client. Okay, you treat me like I'm a client. So you need to develop one report for me. For example, daily sales report develop for me. Okay, how the report will be look like? Like no, I'm giving you format. I want customer details and customer name, customer and customer name. Okay, I'm giving just name, customer name, and location where he is from. Okay, and also material, which material I purchased, customer, which material purchased from us, and date, transaction date, like posting date or invoice date, created date, okay, and which plant the stock is available, which plant, whatever I bought material that somewhere we need to store, right? So which plant it is coming. For the organization, we having multiple plants, which plant it is available, or what is the company code, what is the company code, and then what is the quantity, how much quantity I have taken from you. quantity, and what is the amount for that. So I need these details. Okay, I want report daily and monthly sales report for this. And you can give based on this posting date. I mean, every day. Okay, okay, Kiran, and his name. Kiran means directly it will not be there. Okay, trip four once means that is Kiran only. Okay, this is customer name Kiran, location AP, material. What is the date you done transaction with us? Okay, you have done transaction with us on that day. Which plant? That is from P1 plant. Which company code? Okay, I'm giving roughly data. Okay, so you have taken 10,000 quantity of this one. What is the amount for this one? So this much amount transaction you had. So like this. Okay, in a day, many transactions will happen. 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 50,000 also. Example, you think like DMart only. So how many DMarts available in India? So how many transactions will happen in India? More than crore. Easily more than crore. 1 crore records will come in a day. Okay. So 1 crore record, when it was happen transaction? 25th only. So I want monthly report. This is sales report you will give me. And how about monthly report? Monthly sales report. Based on the month I want. Okay. I want customer. I want month only. Based on this above information, I want to give month as well. You need to convert posting date into cal month. Cal month means 2025 11. This is the month. Customer is same. Understand? Okay. Like this, I want to report. Okay. Which company code? CC1 company code. I sometimes we need to generate very high level report as well, and sometimes we need to design very detailed level as well. Okay, will not sorry, will not show all the information in the very detailed level. Okay, so like this also information. Okay, so if you want to develop report, so you need to design all these objects, right? How you will get? Okay, how we will create these all objects? Okay, we have a concept of info objects in the BW. Okay, so without these objects, we cannot design report, right? These are the basic building blocks. Okay, without bricks, we cannot construct a building without bricks. Okay, in the same way, without info object, I can't design any report in the BW older version 7.0. Somehow we can manage in the BW on HANA. So we required even BW for HANA also, still we required. Why we required still BW on HANA, BW for HANA? Without info objects also I can create. But so if you are asking like no customer name. So in this case I required info object because you are asking me master data on this material. M101. M101 means what is this? I mean, I am the client. So one M101 means I want to display the side by side one name as well. What is that? M101 means shirt. So we need to give the name, material name. Then only I can able to understand, right? So newly I joined. I'm the client. Newly I joined in the company. I want to understand 101 means. What is that? What is the material name? 111 means who given good order for me today? Which customer? What is the customer name? Huh? Okay, what is the location? And the company CC1 means what is this? CC1 means Middle East or company or Europe company or a US company. Okay, Europe company. So like in this situation only I required info objects. You are getting me? Okay, whenever they want to see very detailed level, material, material name, customer, customer name, plant, plant name, company code name. That in that situation only I will go for info objects. If they are not asking straight away, plant, plant, company code, material, material, then I will go for fields. Without creating info objects, I can go for reporting based on the fields. Okay, that is not sufficient. Okay, we need to create the report based on the fields as well as info objects in the BW4 HANA or BW on HANA. These two we can design the report based on the fields plus info objects. Example, what is the difference between fields and info objects? Okay, whenever I create, okay, info object I am creating. What is my report requirement? First name is like no here customer. I need to create an info objects for this report. Okay, customer I need. So whenever I create customer info object, it will create 10 tables in the backend. Whenever I create info object for customer, it will create 10 tables. Whenever I create plant, plant. Whenever I create material, whenever I create company code. So it will create all 10 tables. How many tables created? So these are all unnecessarily occupying the memory. These objects all occupying the memory. So whereas fields, if I create customer as a field, then it will not occupy any memory. It will not create any tables in the backend. I create plant as a field, then it will not occupy any memory. It will not create any tables. That is the major difference. Clear? So we'll see how to create info objects step by tomorrow onwards. Okay, I just giving you overview and this is the requirement and how you will decide. I mean again info objects we having different types. Info objects having different types like characteristic, characteristic and key figures and also unit info object. I'm giving IO. IO means info object. Unit, technical, and one more thing, currency. Sorry, time info objects. Like this, we have it, okay, in the real time. Okay, characteristic means I will go for customer name, location, material name, okay, plant, company code. These are all I will create as a characteristic. Clear? I'll create all as a characteristic info objects. Okay, I'll make it as a, okay, these are all characteristic info objects. I'll go for this one. Okay, I'll go for this one. Okay, I'll go for time info object, this one. What is the time? Time means like no calendar, cal year. We have a in the BW cal year, cal month, cal day, cal week, cal week, cal quarter, cal quarter. Okay, cal quarter and fisc year, fisc period. Okay, these are very important in the real time, bro. Okay, these are all ready-made objects. We have to use them. Calendar year means what? This is calendar year. And fiscal year means what? This one. Calendar month means what? 2025 11. You are getting me. This one only. Fiscal period means what? 0 11 11. So see, fiscal period and calendar year little different. Here you can see little difference. This is 7-digit number. This is 6-digit number. Do you know what is business year? Difference between business year and calendar year? calendar year.
Uh, Actually, sir, business is starting from April to March, and
Yes.
calendar year is the specific year.
Yes, yes. So business year will start from April to March. Okay. So that is financial year. Okay. So you are paying tax to the government. From where to where you are paying the tax? April to March you are paying tax to the government. You are working as an organization. You are receiving some amount and we need to pay some tax to the government. You have to play April to March. If you are donating anything to the any uh, donating to political party or any another amounts, that you can show in the tax level. Only particular this year only. 2025 you donated. What is the assessment year? 2025 and 26. Why I'm saying 25, 26? Okay, 2025 April it will start and it will end 2026 March. That is the way they are saying assessment year 2025 and 26. Are you getting me? Okay, calendar year means what? January to December. January to December. Example, I'm saying that, okay. In the Europe, in the India, we have 12 months. 12 months we have India. In the Europe, they have 16 months. In the Europe, they have 16 months. Clear. So in the Europe, they have 16 months. In India, we have 12 months. So we have 30 days, 31 days, 29 days. Okay, like this we have it. They will have 20 days, 19 days, 90 days, and 21 days. Like this they have. They have a 1 month like no vacation month as well. The name itself vacation, I guess. Okay, in the Europe, the name of month as well, vacation. Okay, in the they have to go for holiday. That vacation month they will utilize. Okay, they should not work. That rule is rule in the Europe and other countries. They have to go for vacation. They should not work on that day. Okay. So like this, 12 months are there, right? So in the 12 months, okay, I'm paying tax to the government April. April 2025. This is 2025. Okay. 2025 April. April. Then May. Okay. Still here. After that, it will start 2026 Pro. And January, this is Feb, and March. So you are paying the tax to the government, thousand, and okay, you are paying thousand every month. Every month you are paying the tax to the government till you are paying. And January, you need to submit the documents to the government. I mean, in our office. Okay, where you are investing your money, earning money. Your salary is like no, 20 lakhs per annum. Okay, you are paying every month 1,000 rupees salary tax to the government. In the based on the slab, how much you have to pay? For 6 lakhs, there is no tax. For 6 lakhs, there is no tax. And next, 6 lakhs. I mean, from 6 lakhs to okay. If you go to next slab, first slab is 5%. Next slab is 10%. Next slab is 15%. Okay. So first 6 lakhs, right? First 6 lakhs, there is no tax. Clear? Okay. Next 5%. How much will come in the 20 level? Okay. Remaining amount, how much will be there? 14 lakhs will be there. In the 14 lakhs, what is the 5% amount? 5% amount, what is that? Okay. Whatever remaining amount, what is the 10%? Remaining amount, what is the 15%? Like this, it will deduct the money. They will deduct the tax for this, your salary. Okay. Okay. So again, we have a ATC, ATC, ATE, okay, 80, okay, 80D. So many slabs are there. Like, are you investing ATC? When maximum is 1,50,000. If you invested 1,50,000 in under ATC, LIC or term insurance or something, Sukanya or PPF, something you need to invest. So that you need to show in this. While you are submitting document to your company, you need to declare them. You need to show the document. Okay, that document they will deduct amount. Okay, whatever this is deducted, right? They will return it. Okay, January. So like this, whatever invested amount, okay, that amount we need to show them through documents. Okay, well, and in February also they will deduct money, and March also they will deduct money. Okay, here how many months are there? Total 12 months only, right? So now why we are discussing these options? Okay, you will get to know. But total 16 months, right, in the Europe. So for us also 16 months only. So now this is 12 months. Remember this 12 months. Now from April to May and June and July. So whatever you pay tax, okay, till March, okay, they will check it. Whatever you invested properly, they will check how much money we need to return to you. That is like no IT returns. We can call as a IT returns. Did you apply for IT returns? Okay, based on your form 16, you will get form 16 May or June based on your company. Okay, not sure why they're sending May or June. Okay, so in May or June, you will get Form 16. So based on Form 16, wherever you invested, that will be available in the Form 16, that information. Okay, so based on that, how much money government return to you? How much money you have to pay till tax? Okay, sometimes you need to pay the tax to the government still. Okay, after cutting thousand, still you have to pay the 2,000. Okay, that you need to pay into the IT returns in July or June or May. You have to pay. Or else government have to pay 5,000 rupees to you because you invested in all these areas. Okay, then they will pay the amount into August. Okay, 12 months and 4 months what? 16 months only. These are all adjustments. Adjustments. Okay, these are all adjustments. Okay, that is called like no, we have a fiscal variant in the SAP BW. While we are loading the data, you will come to know what is the adjustments under. Okay, this is nat. Okay, in SAP, this is very important. Okay, na? Clear? So like this, we need to understand all these topics. Okay, we'll discuss tomorrow onwards. Okay, all info objects step by step. Okay, we'll see all these things. Okay, any doubt?
Sir,
Yeah, yeah,
so you have told that we have to purchase server. So
yeah.
please let us know where we do, like where would we buy server from?
Sorry?
Server, sir, SAP server. Please.
Yes, yes, I will I will share the number today and you can go and buy the server. You can do the practice as well, okay? Okay, we'll do very
Thank you.
detailed level. Okay, yeah. So in the sales and delivery, we'll load the data from S/4HANA to BW and billing. Okay, and you can do practice. I will show you sales or delivery or billing one, and you can do all this remaining practice. If you are facing any issue, just show me any problem. Okay? Yeah. Chalo. Bye. Any other questions? Fine. Okay. Thank you all. Bye.
Yes, sir.